Welcome to the new Einstein's YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and like our posts.
Disa më kanë quajtur antikushtetuese nga që nuk jam njeri. Kjo më ka lënduar. Jo për vete, po për në.
This is Diella, the world's first AI minister. Diella, whose name means sun in Albanian, is the world's first AI-powered minister, created by the government of Albania to inject transparency into public procurement and fight corruption. The journey began in January 2025, when the National Agency for Information Society, AKSAI, launched Diella as a virtual assistant on the e-Albania digital platform. Initially, she functioned via text, guiding citizens through bureaucratic procedures, helping them access public services and obtain digital documents. At this early stage, Diella 1.0, she was essentially a chatbot, text-based, responsive, programmed with decision trees for standard citizen queries. As months passed, feedback came in. Delays, misrouted requests, citizen confusion. AKSAI responded by creating Diella 2.0, an upgraded version with voice interaction and an animated avatar dressed in traditional Albanian folk costume. The avatar's image and voice were provided by actress Anila Bisha, who agreed to represent Diella until late 2025. Behind the scenes, Microsoft played a key part. It provided parts of the AI infrastructure via its Azure platform, including large language models and cloud support. AKSAI designed the specific workflows and rules that guide how Diella handles public tender documents, how she assesses bids, how she responds to citizens, the logic by which she must weigh fairness, transparency, and administrative criteria. The system is proprietary, web-based, and integrated into Albania's official e-government infrastructure. As Diella's capabilities expanded, so did her responsibilities. By mid-2025, she had helped process tens of thousands of documents, over 36,000 issued documents, and nearly 1,000 service interactions. These outputs still came through government back-end workflows, meaning the AI recommended actions or routed documents. But human administrative systems still did the processing. In September 2025, the Albanian government took the bold step. Diella was formally appointed as Minister of State for Artificial Intelligence, with responsibility for public procurement. A presidential decree granted Prime Minister Edi Rama the power to add a virtual minister, and the role of awarding public tenders was gradually to be transferred, in part from human ministers to AI oversight via Diella. The objective: eliminate bias, prevent corruption, speed up public contracts, and make tendering processes more transparent. However, with this rise came controversy. Opponents argue that Albanian law requires government ministers to be human and at least 18 years old, and that appointing an AI may conflict with constitutional norms. Critics also point out that AI is coded by humans, so the risk of manipulation, bias, data poisoning, or corruption via back channels remains. Transparency advocates ask, who audits Diella's decisions? Who ensures the code is clean? Who handles mistakes or wrongful tenders? Still, supporters see Diella as a transformative experiment. Prime Minister Rama says she is not there to replace human officials, but to aid them, to ensure that procurement is 100% corruption-free. Her presence aligns with Albania's push to modernize, reform governance, and meet European Union accession criteria by 2030. Whether Diella becomes a model for other nations or a cautionary tale, only time will tell.